Hi, and welcome to Truma. I'm RJ, I'm one of the technical trainers, and today we're going to go over the AquaGo stuck in clean mode. This is one of the most common calls we get here in the call center because it's so easy to accidentally put the AquaGo into clean mode with the dial control. When you accidentally switch it to clean mode within the dial control, you have only 20 seconds to switch it back out, or you lock yourself into clean mode and need to go through the following process. First off, we're going to want to make sure that the AquaGo unit has power. 12-volt power hookup. You can do this either at the converter panel or directly behind the AquaGo. From there, we're going to go to the outside of the unit and make sure our toggle switch is in the on position. From there, we're going to head inside and find our control dial. We're going to switch the control dial to the clean position, which is our second position all the way down. Depending on how long the dial has been turned off, you may need to wake it up from its sleeping. To do so, you want to switch from the off position slowly up to the comfort, to the eco, and back down. Once the light illuminates, you know the dial has been woken up, and you can go ahead and move it back down to the clean mode. Once the dial's been put in clean mode, you're going to hear the circulation pump running. That's the buzzing you're hearing in the background right now is the circulation pump. It's going to cycle on and off. We just heard it cycle off. Once we hear that, we can go ahead and turn on a hot water faucet in the coach, and we're going to go ahead and let that run for approximately 15 minutes or until the dial begins to flash at us. While the unit is running all this water through, we have that hot water faucet running. You're going to hear the circulation pump kick on and off and the burner not kick on. This is totally normal. Once that 15 minutes or so has passed, you will see the red light begin to flash on the control board, letting you know that decalcification is complete. The error code is specific, 3 short flashes and then 5 long flashes for a total of 8. Again, that's 3 shorts and 5 longs. That's letting you know decalcification is complete. You can go ahead and turn off your faucet. We can go ahead and turn the toggle switch on the AquaGo to the off position. Turn the dial to the off position. We're gonna want to wait approximately 30 seconds after switching the dial to the off position. Once we do that, we can go ahead and turn the AquaGo back on at the toggle switch and select either the comfort or the eco mode on the dial, whichever is your preference. From there, simply enjoy your endless hot water from Truma. Thank you.